Hello everyone. So I want to share you one information on this channel that I am able to clear Terraform Associate Exam. It's basically an automation tool used for uh, provisioning of infrastructure on cloud. Basically, that it doesn't uh, use any particular cloud, so you can use this Terraform tool on Google Cloud, AWS, Azure. So most and even on premises. Uh, Infrastructure could also be managed using Terraform. So it supports a lot of providers. Basically, you can use using the providers. You can using this tool. You can automate the infrastructure. So I want to share you some tips and tricks that how you could be able to clear this exam and what actually how much time is needed for preparing for this exam. So, and I also will be sharing you some of the question that you can expect, the type of question that you can expect in the exam. So, this is a so I almost took around 10 days for its preparation and the questions. It's basically a 1 hour exam, and you can expect almost 57 questions in it. So you need to be quick when you are answering the question, and almost you have 1 minute of duration to answer each question. So questions will be basically MCQs. So it could be easier for you if you manage your time in advance. And so in case if you are new to this tool, then I will recommend you some resources that will be helpful for you to learn this tool. And because it's quite popular in industry nowadays, so it is beneficial for you to learn this. So basically, how did I learn? In one of my project, the I performed one POC where we implemented the whole project using Terraform. So I had almost experience with Terraform, and so now I decided to prepare for the exam, and it didn't took me more than 10 days for the preparation. So I will be suggesting you some core resources that will be helpful for you for its preparation. So first thing, when you schedule the refer this study guide. This is a Terraform Associate Certification Guide, and basically it defines about all the things that infrastructure is as a code, and all the it contains all the documentation which you can follow and go through. So like modules are very important, and all these subcommand this study guide. This is a Terraform Associate Certification Guide, and basically it defines about all the things that infrastructure is as a code, and all the it contains all the documentation which you can follow and go through. So like modules are very important, and all these subcommands. So in case if you are able to go through all this documentation, then there is questions will be from these documentation only. And how you can perform the debugging. There's how many type of Terraform tools are there, what are their versions which you can use as per your infrastructure, as per the need of the client. So you should go through this study guide uh, before sitting for the exam. And in case you are starting fresh, you can use code cloud. Basically, this is the first course you should take, because it teaches you the basics of Terraform, that how you can use loops, and basically what are the basic building block of this Terraform. So it will be really helpful for you, and it's basically a very pretty hands-on course. So all the labs are provided here, you don't need to install anything. So code cloud is very good in those aspects, as it provide labs to perform the exercises. So these three challenges, once you have done this, then you can go ahead with this course, associate certification, and then you can go ahead with Terraform challenges as well. Once you are done with it, in case then you can go ahead with the uh, some of the preparation with the HashiCorp, some practice question. These are the practice question. It includes almost around uh, 6 uh, practice exams, so you can go ahead, you can prepare from these, and this will be really helpful for your preparation. And you will be these includes very good questions where you it will help you to think about the concepts of these tools. And still there are some of the things that I want to share you, in case you are not interested in code cloud. You can go ahead with the Zilvora course on Udemy, and it is also one of the great course. So it will help you to prepare. And it also includes it also includes practice paper at the end. The exam preparation, you have the preparation test as well, so it will also help you for preparation. And yeah, the types of question that you can expect that are means question are based on HCL versions, because Terraform has versions which are Terraform starting from 0.12 and before 0.12 and after 0.12. So Terraform basically it's HCL 1.0 and HCL 2.0. So some of the question you can expect from both these terminologies. In the questions, you can also see that the commands questions will be there, and you need to basically type the complete command instead of just selecting the radio button. So you can also, in these sample questions, you can just it will be like radio MCQs, but on some of the places you need to type the uh, whole command in the fill in the blanks. So just be aware of it, because if in case if you practice it while means with the typing, then it will be helpful for you during the examinations. That's it from my end, guys, and you can basically in case you have any further question, you can ask me, and you can drop me in comments. Thank you, guys.